Rob Frazier here. I know, that was a weak clap, but just got a bird. You're going to be hearing him chirp behind me maybe throughout this video, and I don't want to be scaring him too much. You know, he hasn't been broken in with the craziness of the household just yet. So anyways, getting into it. Why you want to consider high-ticket affiliate marketing. This video is I'm talk about why you want to consider high-ticket affiliate marketing and where you can learn my exact same system that I'm personally using to do just that. So that being said, the biggest thing people say whenever they talk to me is, "Hey, Rob, I want to make $10,000 a month." Okay, great. Or I want to make $5,000 a month, which is both the most knee-jerk reaction out there. $10,000 and $5,000 a month. And most people don't even really know what it is, how much they really need per month, because most people don't really need $5,000 a month to live comfortably, to pay all their bills. And also, never mind my slow country Wi-Fi. I'm out here in the country and our Wi-Fi is not the best. But that being said, you don't need super great fast Wi-Fi to make affiliate marketing work, especially high ticket. So, again, why do you want to consider high ticket affiliate marketing? Most people's goals are that infamous 5 and infamous $10,000 a month. Okay, great. If you, and people will join, for example, one of my programs is a basic stripped down version of a marketing system. It's a one-time $7 program. And on that you get $6 commissions. So people will join $7, they'll pay $7 whopping bucks, and they'll say, "Hey Rob, I want to make $10,000 a month." Not just one time, but every single month. But they'll join a $7 program that pays out one-time $6 commissions, and that will be it. And it's like, dude, honestly think about this. If you join that $7 program, how many $6 commissions are you going to need to make $10,000, let alone $10,000 every single month, which is going to require new people to join that marketing system? It's going to take a lot, and it's going to be crazy, and it's just simply not going to work. Trust me, I've promoted that same tripwire offer since 2021, so since 2013, I think, at the end of 2013, and I have yet to make $10,000 a month off of those $6 commissions. And I'm not saying you need to join, that's the only reason you need to join at the highest level different programs. I'm just saying in affiliate marketing, it helps to have a spread of programs, multiple streams of income that will eventually get you there. You need to have like a spread. So that being said, just think about that, $10,000 a month. If you had a program that paid out $250 commissions one time, that would be a little bit easier to hit $10,000 a month. It'd still be a little bit challenging, but just think about it. How many $250 sales would you need to make $10,000? One time. We'll just get per month out of our head, and we'll just say just one time. How many $1,000 commissions would it take to hit a $10,000 level? So, got a couple interruptions there, but just think about that. And let alone provide the residual to give you that same payment month after month after month. So we take all of this, and so that being said, how many of those commissions are we going to need to hit that $10,000 one time, let alone per month, each and every month? And when I joined high ticket affiliate marketing, I'm gonna just be honest. Way back when I was part of a program, it was called 250 Payday. It's no longer around, or I don't know what happened, but something happened between me and the owner. The owner was emailing people that I brought into the system his other business opportunity, and we had a falling out. But with just that program that paid out instant $250 commissions, I ended up making $18,000 in 1 month just off of that $250 price point, following a very specific traffic plan. And just think about it, getting the $10,000 with something that pays out $250 commissions or $1,000 commissions compared to something that pays out a one-time $6. I mean, it's just easier to hit your goal with fewer people, being honest. And there's a lot of churn and burn in this industry. People come in, they don't focus, they quit, they don't follow the plan. There's 10,000 shiny balls, 10,000 different gurus, 10,000 different ways of making money online, and people just lose focus. So all of that being said, it's not hard, because I used to have this fallacy that it's easier to make $5 and $6 and $7 sales, even $20 sales, compared to making a $1,000 sale. And I can categorically tell you that the people you're going to deal with who join the $6 and $7 programs compared to the people who join at the $500, $250, $1,000 levels, there's a difference. And there's no offense to anyone watching this right now, but it's just easier to deal with the people who come in at the higher levels, just being honest. They're just not as much of an energetic drain, and it's just not trying to get down on anybody, because I was in that situation when I started. I just couldn't afford anything. But you will find that it's easier to deal with people at the higher levels, and you have more of a payout, and it's just worth your time. I mean, some people will work 12 hours a day online just to earn $5 and $6 commissions. And it's just like some people work 1 and 2 hours a day online to earn $1,000 commissions. So, and there's no real big difference either. So all of that being said, you want to consider high-ticket affiliate marketing because it's going to help you get to your income goals quicker. Before you can even get there, you have to know what your income goals are. Figure out how much money you need per month. Write it down. Phone bill, gas, child support, car payment, maintenance, whatever. Add 40% for taxes, and then take that number and whatever programs you're in, figure out how many sales you need to hit that number per month and go from there. But if you want to work with me, if you want to partner up with me, there's going to be a capture page underneath this video. It's going to take you to this page right here. It is a double opt-in. This is a My Capture page. You're going to get placed on my Traffic Wave autoresponder, and I'm going to share with you my #1 high-ticket affiliate marketing system. Way back when I started, I came across this guy, Mac, and I should have pulled up a picture of me and him eating dinner. But basically, I've been following his systems ever since I started. And following his systems, last year, 2019, I had my highest week ever online, which I made $20,000 plus online, and it was through a high-ticket sales funnel. And that very same method of doing business, it's the same thing here, and it's not going to cost you that much money. I mean, this whole system has 4 different streams of income, and you don't have to join at the all-in highest level across the board. So it's not going to cost an arm and a leg. The whole system to come in at the all-in highest levels is still nowhere near the $20,000 high-ticket program that I was promoting that allowed me to earn that in a week. So all of that being said, I know this video was a little long because we got kind of distracted because the bird going on in the background. It's a new thing for me, and we got the pool guy pulling up outside, and surprised my dog isn't barking his head off at him. But that being said, this high-ticket affiliate marketing is what allowed me to go full-time in affiliate marketing, period. If you are starting out and you have $5 and $6 and $7 commission programs, that's great to create a list of buyers. But if you want to get to that next level of really earning income that will really allow you to earn a full-time income doing this thing online, then high ticket is the way to go. And I can say that from the bottom of my heart. So that being said, I know this video was a little long, but this system right here, multiple income funnel, 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 streams of income. I use it in conjunction with Traffic Wave, which is my autoresponder, and my capture page, which is a different capture page system. That is because I like to build my own list. Some people, when they promote these replicated systems, they don't want to just promote the system. They want to build their own list. Me, I like building my own list, so that's why I have that. My capture page, Traffic Wave autoresponder, and the multiple income funnel in and of itself. And so what I personally do is I'll promote this in conjunction with my perpetual traffic plan, and that's it. That's all I do. And that is absolutely everything I do laid out. So this video, underneath, I'm going to include a link to my capture page. I'm also include a link to my perpetual traffic plan that I follow, that I use to promote this. And it's all there. That is everything I do. There's no 2-hour webinars for you to sit on and, you know, me to sell some stuff. This is it. That's the exact plan I do from start to finish, from A to Z. I'm also include a link to my Complete Freedom Facebook group, which is below this video as well. And that being said, reach out to me. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.